Here we come to the elevator at the architecture building at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. Let's get our cab view. Very tall cab. And you can see up the shaft a little bit. GAL interlock, I believe. Yeah, that's a GAL interlock. Let's go up to 4 and we'll listen to the motor. Where we have a very nice view of the U of A. Over there is the Park Avenue garage and the Cullen Hall. Over there is the School of Art, and there is the Hub on Campus building. That's an apartment complex. I'm zooming in on. That's the Hub on Campus, Hub on Park Avenue. Hub Speedway is right behind that. There is the Malibu building, Pacifica Malibu. I believe that's the Parker. And then over there is Aspire, and that's the new Hub right there. I misspoke. And over there is the Graduate Hotel and the Olive apartment complex. Over there is the Gold Simpson building. And over there is the Marley building. And you get a nice view over there of Tucson House, which used to be a hotel, but it was converted to low-income housing for people that have low income. Over there is the Honors Village. That is the Honors Village. And you can't see it, but right next to that is the Honors Garage. Let's just see if we can get a view into one of the rooms with my super zoom lens. Not really, but you can see a little bit maybe. It's hard to see in because of the tint on the windows, because they're tinted. And now, I wonder what kind of view we can get over here. There's aerospace and mechanical engineering. And over there is Mount Lemmon. Yep, that's Mount Lemmon. Way out there is Mount Lemmon. And a little bit of storms forming because it's very humid today. There is a Wheelock MT horn strobe. And we will take the elevator back down. And it just left it. And it looks like it's left us. Okay, we'll just wait. Over here you can see Speedway. Should be coming. The call button's broken. I think it's coming. should be coming. I would think, and here it is. Time does not work. Let's go down to G. And the door closes when you push the button. Capacity 3,500 pounds. This is elevator number 1. Very nice path. It does have an annoying fan, so we can hear the motor very well going on. ADA compliant phone. Oh. Maybe no phone. There it is. ADA compliant phone built to the car station. EPCO SurvivorPlus Vandal resistant fixtures. And here we are on G. And we'll ring the bell one last time. And anyways, here it goes. And that's it.